how long does it typically take for muscle soreness to go away after a workout?
Oh yes, the DOMs.
The DOMs. When
guys,
did they leave you?
If you guys were following during our pregnancy, Jessica was like, "Oh,
During labor.
this labor hurts so much." I'm like, "Dude, I have major DOMs. Like, you don't even know what I'm going through right now."
Yeah, it was such bull. Depending on the workout and depending on your fitness level, it can take up to like 5 or 6 days.
No, I wouldn't.
But I'd say normally takes 2 days.
Yeah, like if you hit a heavy leg workout for the first time, or if you train legs for the first time and I'm training you, you're gonna feel...
Brad Guthrow's your trainer.
Yeah, you're gonna feel like sore 3 to 4 days later. Like I was training a doctor before and I had him beat down.
You work him out on Monday, he calls you on the weekend and be like, what did you do to me?
Yeah, but if you're like a seasoned athlete, you won't feel the DOMs unless you do something totally different.
Right.
Like you change up the modality completely different.
And even if sometimes you do,
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode.
you're starting a new workout program or something and you happen to be Brad Guthrow, you're probably only going to be sore and like mildly so, like manageably sore for maybe 2, maybe 3 days max. But if you're a complete noob, then it's going to hit you like a ton of bricks and you have to take a week to recover.
But think about that as like your stripes. Like think about that as being like
every noob has to
you're
go through it.
excited about it. Like, man, I'm feeling sore, so I did something good.
Right, it's a good sign. It means that you actually affected your muscles.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming.